Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to create and upload a video for an online video consultation. So first thing you're going to want to do is open up QuickTime Player, and you can do that by either going down to Applications and selecting it there, or you can go to the Spotlight search, type in Quick, and it'll show up right there. Next thing you're going to want to do is go to New Screen Recording. It's currently grayed out on my screen because I'm obviously doing a screen recording. So I'll just open up an audio recording to show you what it looks like. So here you see is the audio recording window. It's got a record button and then this little triangle thing. When you click on that, it should give you a list of options. Now you want to make sure that the microphone is set to built-in microphone, the quality is set to high, and that the option for show mouse clicks and recording is enabled. And that will make it so it puts a little circle around the cursor whenever you click and hold. Now the next thing you want to do once you've got that set up is open up the essay or paper that you're going to be doing the consultation on. Now if you've never used track changes before, the way you turn that on is by going to the review panel and hitting the track changes button. And what that will do is make it so every time you make a change, it does it in red, and anytime you delete something, it'll add a little comment over here. You can also make your own comments by highlighting a specific area and clicking New, and you can write whatever you want there. This is really convenient for making local commentary. So once you have that all set up, you go back to QuickTime and you hit the record button. Go back to the essay and continue on with your consultation. You can basically just treat it as though you're doing a face-to-face consultation, except obviously there's going to be no dialogue between you and the student. But you can still go through, read out problematic areas, make verbal commentary on changes that need to be made, and more importantly, why those changes need to be made. It allows you to make commentary a lot easier than if you were to have to type it all out or write it all out somewhere. You can, that you also have the benefit of the tone of your voice and the way you say things verbally can get your point across a little bit easier. So once you've gone through the entire essay, you've made a commentary on everything you need to, then you can go back to QuickTime, stop the recording, and then it'll automatically save it to the movies folder on the hard drive. Now the next step is going to be uploading. So we'll open up a web browser, go to youtube.com, and we need to sign in order to upload. So sign in to the Writing Center account. Okay, now we're all signed in, and go to Upload. From here, you want to select a file from your computer. Go to Movies, and then select your recording. Hit OK, and it'll automatically start uploading for you. Now we're going to want to change the movie title to today's date, and the title of paper. Now we want to take privacy settings. Now this is very important. You got to remember to do this every time. Take the privacy settings, change it to unlisted. What this is going to do is it's going to remove it from all YouTube search, so no one can search and find it. It's also going to take it out of related videos, so no one can find it, just poking around on the Writing Center account. Basically, the only people who are going to be able to see it are anyone signed into the Writing Center account, which will be Writing Center staff only, or anyone to whom you give this link. So as long as you send this link to just the student, they're the only person who's going to see it. We want to change the category to education. You can write in a description if you want, and then from there all we need to do is share. So instead of just giving the regular link as it's displayed here, what we want to do is go into Options and click HD Link. This is going to set it by default to load the HD version of the video, which is going to be good because then even if someone has a slow connection, it'll still automatically load HD. Without that, it's a little bit hard to read the text, the on-screen text for when you're actually, in here working with the document. So the HD will clear that up and will make it, if they full screen it, people shouldn't have any problem reading it. So now that that's selected, you can select the URL, copy it, and send it to the student. And they should be able to view it fairly soon after the upload. It doesn't take very long at all. And that's about it. It's actually pretty simple. Thanks for watching, and good luck.